Imagine running your own cutting-edge news channel, all from the comfort of your own bedroom. No huge studio, no crew, no expensive setup. Sound too good to be true? Well, prepare to be amazed. In today's tech-savvy era, AI makes all this and more possible. In this video, we're going to guide you step by step through the exciting process of creating your own AI-run news channel. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Collecting the news. The first task in your new role as a news channel owner is to gather news. One of the best places to start is Google News. Select an engaging and trending news piece. Want to outshine your competitors? Be quick to upload news as soon as they do. In the competitive world of news, speed and consistency are key. For our demonstration today, we're using a piece of trending AI news. Step 2. Create AI News Presenter with HeyGen. Now that we have our news, it's time to create our news presenter. We're going to use a fantastic AI tool called HeyGen. You can find the link in the description below. Once you open the HeyGen website, sign in and create an account with your email address. Navigate to start with an avatar and you'll find over 100 human-like avatars to choose from. Customize your avatar's outfit, swap faces, or even upload your own. Once you've saved your unique avatar, it's time to create a video. Select your customized avatar and click on Create Video. Choose a color palette and set the background color to green. Then copy and paste your news article into HeyGen and change the voice model. Once you click Submit, sit back and relax with a cup of coffee while HeyGen does its magic. After some time, your video will be ready. Let's take a look at what we created.
Good evening, I'm Jenny and this is Top 5 News. Our top story tonight: President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris have taken a significant step towards addressing the risks associated with artificial intelligence.
Step 3. Create lip sync with AI. Okay, we're moving on to an impressive part of our process, generating a lip sync for our AI news presenter's voice. We'll be utilizing a brilliant open source tool named Wave2Lip AI. This tool is designed to work in conjunction with Google Colab, a cloud-based coding platform. The link to this is provided in the description below. First, click on the link to open Google Colab. Once it's opened, connect it to Wave2Lip by clicking on the Connect button on the top right of the screen. It'll take a few moments to establish a connection with your server. Don't worry, this step is very straightforward and Google Colab will guide you through the process. Once the connection is established, proceed to Step 1. Here you will find a play button, click it and then select Run Anyway. This will set up your server. This setup might take a few minutes, so be patient. Next, we will be skipping the YouTube video lip sync step as we are using our own video clips, not a YouTube video. Scroll down until you find Step 2. Click on the play button here as well. It's crucial not to make any changes in this step. After completing Step 2, it's time to upload the video file we created earlier using TTS Maker. Locate this file on your device and upload it. Once it's uploaded, we move on to Step 3. In Step 3, we'll upload the voiceover we also created with TTS Maker. It's important to remember that Wave2Lip can create a lip sync for only 1 minute at a time, so ensure your audio file isn't longer than that. Once the file is successfully uploaded, move on to Step 4. Click on the play button in Step 4. Now, this is where the magic happens. Wave2Lip will use its AI capabilities to match your video file with the audio file, creating a lip sync. This process can take a bit of time, so feel free to grab a snack while you wait. Once the tool completes processing, your lip sync video is ready. Click on the three-dot menu next to your video and select Download. Now you have a professional-looking lip sync news video. If you have more than 1 minute of footage, repeat Steps 2, 3, and 4 for each 1-minute segment. This process will help you create a seamless lip sync video for your entire news broadcast. And with that, you successfully created an AI-generated lip sync video. Amazing, isn't it? Step 4. Design a news backdrop. Now that our clips are ready, let's create an immersive news environment. To enhance the look of your news video, download newsroom stock footage from any website. I'm going to use Canva. With this asset in hand, it's time to edit our video. Step 5. Edit video clips with Wondershare Filmora. We'll use Wondershare Filmora for editing, which is incredibly user-friendly, making it a perfect choice for beginners. Open Filmora and import all your footage. Arrange your clips in the timeline, starting with the intro scene, followed by the news background, and then your news clips. It's time to let your creative juices flow, but if you're a fresher, go to Wondershare Filmora YouTube channel and learn how to edit videos. Step 6. Upload AI-generated news video on YouTube. We've made it to the final step, uploading your masterpiece to YouTube. Click on the Create button and select your video file. Give your video a catchy title, upload a compelling thumbnail, and add relevant tags. Once everything's in order, hit Publish. And there we have it. We've successfully created a news channel, all with the help of AI. Let's have a premiere and watch our first video together.
Good evening, I'm Jenny and this is Top 5 News. Our top story tonight, President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris have taken a significant step towards addressing the risks associated with artificial intelligence. The President and Vice President met with CEOs from major tech companies earlier today, in a landmark meeting aimed at discussing the potential risks and ethical considerations of AI.
The meeting, which included top executives from companies like Google, Facebook, and Amazon, focused on the potential impacts of AI on various sectors, including privacy, job displacement, and national security. The administration is keen on ensuring that the rapid advancement of AI technology is balanced with the need to protect citizens' rights and maintain national security. The meeting is seen as a significant step towards creating a comprehensive policy framework for AI. This is indeed a significant move in the right direction. We will continue to follow this story closely and bring you updates as they come in. Stay tuned to Top 5 News for the latest news and updates.
I'm excited to hear about your experience of setting up your AI news channel. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts and results in the comments section. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing, easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Until next time, happy creating, and here's to your successful news channel.